parents, welcome back to Hello Moms of India. In this video, I am going to talk about immunity system, how we can increase our child's immunity system by sitting at home so that they don't fall sick often or they don't get infected. I am going to share with you some of the tips which I follow in a daily basis for my daughter to boost her immunity. I believe you also will be following some of the tips, and you can also put down your tips in the comment box below so that everyone can come to know about these tips and work on their child's immunity system. So yes, if you find this video informative, then do like, share and subscribe my channel if you have not, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss the update of the channel. Let's go through the tips quickly. Point is the diet. Diet plays a very important role in this. So try to prepare a balanced diet for your child which includes carbohydrate, proteins and vitamins. So give lots of green vegetable, green leaves to your child. Even if they don't want, make them convince and make them eat. And while preparing all these things, try to preserve the nutrition by not overcooking it. You can also go for egg and fish if you are a non-vegetarian. You can include curd, those will be very good for your health. The next would be you can include garlic, ginger, turmeric. I believe most of you would be doing that thing. That is very good and very rich in antioxidants. So you must include those things in your child's diet. Include lots of dry fruit in your child diet. So you can include almond, acarot, dates. These are very good for your child's different developments. Apart from all these things, you can also give honey to your child every day. You can plan for 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. I think that should be fine if your child is above 3. But based on your child says, you can plan and check out the quantity accordingly. The next point is fruit. Try to give lots of fruit to the children, and while selecting the fruit, try to give preference to the seasonal fruits because those will be fresh and you will not get in the next season. So don't miss out the seasonal fruits. Apart from the seasonal fruits, you should also include the citrus fruit which will be very rich in the vitamin C. And because the vitamin C doesn't get stored into your body, so you should take these fruits every day. Apart from this, you should also include guava and papaya which are also very rich in vitamin C. And while having this fruit, try to take this fruit directly instead of juice because when you are taking the fruit directly, we are also intaking fiber which will be good for the health. Next point is the physical activity. Because nowadays we cannot take out our children out for the physical activity, we should not miss those things inside. So you should plan for a physical activity of 1 to 2 hours where your child gets involved in the different activities. That can be a game or can be a dance, but it should be an hour of 2 hours where your child has to run, perform lots of activity, gets exhausted. The more physical activity they will do, the more stronger their body will be and the more healthier they will be. So don't miss out to plan this activity in their daily routine. The next important part is sleep. If your child is not getting proper sleep, then there can be issue in different developments. So make sure your child is getting proper sleep. It should be undisturbed sleep and a longer hour of sleep. So when you are planning a schedule for your child, make sure you are planning a longer duration of sleep and that should be undisturbed. So by giving longer hour and proper sleep, you actually work for your child different developments and also it works for your child's immunity system. Next and the last point which is very important, that is hygiene. You should maintain a proper hygiene surrounding you. You can also teach the concept of hygiene to your child. Something like before you eat, you should wash your hand. If you are touching something dirty, you should wash your hand. All these things. So by making them learn the concept of hygiene, you are making them independent so that they can take care of themselves and they can avoid this infection as much as possible. Apart from all these tips, as a general practice, try to give lukewarm water to your child. That will really work on your child digestive system, at the same time the immune system. So these are some of the tips I wanted to share with you. I hope you will like this video and you will try to follow some of the tips for your child. And I hope this will also help to boost your child's immunity system. So yes, parent, please take care of your children. Please stay at home, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.